quick room tour. This is typical room. This is the closet with the safe. Has drawers. Then we have this side. Doesn't have any life jackets in here, like usual. And the bathroom. There's the typical with the sink. And then the toilet.
Mm-hmm.
And the shower. It has your own lotions and stuff. Okay. Then there's a TV, bigger TV than usual.
Yeah, that's nice.
Then down here,
Oh, fridge.
refrigerator, yay. There's water here, but if you're gold and up, you get a return water. This water costs. Then you have your bed. Over here, you have area we can put stuff in. This is 2 twin beds pushed together as a king size bed. This room does not have room for bunks, so it's straight. Then it has, oh, this is new. They have USB ports right here. And plugs. Then that's for the foreign plugs. Your light. More drawers with a hair dryer. Oh, there's nothing on the side. And there you have it. It is 7239. So now we're gonna go with 37, which is the kids' room, and see what theirs is like. Kayla's gonna do the tour.
So, welcome to our room. So, this is the top bed, which I'm gonna sleep in. There's the under there where Bubba's gonna sleep in, and there's where Andy's gonna sleep in. There's the TV right there, and then there's a unknown closet.
We're right there?
Really?
Ooh, opening.
No, this is adjoining room. Yeah, this is it's adjoining. They should have a door on theirs. That's adjoining room.
Oh.
What does that mean?
Like somebody else has a room on this side.
How do they do that?
Because that's where people do that. We could have had that. This is set up for.
There's a closet right there.
Yeah, there's your
Here's
closet.
with our life jackets in it because we got.
Oh, y'all got your life jacket? Oh, no.
Oh wait, no. There's no life jackets yet. Here's our
Little vanity area.
and then behind you is the bathroom.
Down and go finish the door.
Here's me. I'm having the tour. Okay.
Right here is the bathroom. You're going to use the sink and the toilet and the shower. So that's all for this room. Let's.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gonna close it out?
Yeah. Yep. So that is what our room was.
7 2.
7 2 3 7.